I am Leo, CEO and founder of TVCMALL. TVCMALL was founded in 2008. With the booming development of the mobile phone and e-commerce industry and the rapid growth of foreign e-commerce customers, along with, there are three core demands: small batch product supply, multi-category centralized procurement, and long-term reliable quality and excellent service. We got an insight into their actual demands, then set up the TVCMALL.com shopping mall to provide online product wholesale services such as supporting small batch orders, multi-category and high-quality product choices, and one-stop supply for customers.
I'm Kim, the sales manager of TVCMALL. TVCMALL has been operating for more than 13 years, which served as a small and medium-sized wholesale platform of electronic accessories. Our business scope has now covered countries all around the world. With a total of more than 1.5 million customers, they mainly are local overseas wholesalers, self-operated website wholesalers, platform retailers, offline retail stores, chain stores, and repair stores owners. Our sales team consists of more than 100 senior business analysts, 20 key account managers to provide one-on-one service, and our VIP account managers in the France branch can also offer a door-to-door service. We provide 24 hours online customer service to give a real-time response to customer needs. Language is the bridge of communication. TVCMALL online shopping mall builds multi-language sites like English, French, German, Italian, Russian, Spanish, and Portuguese to provide customers with more convenient and satisfying services. In addition to the online service, we also provide other services like product design and customization, offline product demand, personalized labeling and packaging, various choices of logistics channels by sea, land, or air, and worry-free after-sales service. These are all customer service that we have always been dedicated to providing to our customers. Our products make customers connect to us, and our service make customers loyal to us. This is the thoughtfulness of Zhengzhi customer service.
I'm Aaron, in charge of product sourcing. At present, we've cooperated with more than 500 top domestic brands in the industry, such as Paseos, ESR, Dilkin, Dukes Deuces, etc. TVCMALL has more than 320,000 online product SKUs so far. Product category, phone model, and quantity are sufficient choices for demand. New products can be updated within 3 days with a volume of 1,000 SKUs daily update. Small batch orders are supported without MOQ requirements. Our experienced sourcing team can quickly collect the goods, and products in stock can be delivered within 24 hours. OEM/ODM services and customized product demands are welcomed. We will fulfill the matching goods within 2 hours and provide satisfying choices within a working day. This is the speed of Zhengzhi product collection.
I am Luke, mainly responsible for the management of the supply chain center. Our warehouse occupied an area of 16,000 square meters, with 90 stuff, a total of 26,000 SKU products in stock, daily throughput of 450,000 pieces, 2-day in-warehouse operation time, and 99.9% of the operation accuracy. I always keep these numbers in mind because these are not only our job requirements, but also our goals. Product collecting, sorting, quality inspection, input, output, packaging, weighing, labeling, and shipping, all the procedures must strictly comply with the 2-day in-warehouse operation time. Meanwhile, we will select the most suitable, safest, and efficient logistics method, such as DHL, UPS, FedEx, China Post, etc., according to the product characteristics and destination, and to ensure the goods can be reached customers with the fastest speed. We also have an online order inquiry function, so that customers can check their order status at any time. For product quality control, we adopt the International GB Inspection Standard to make sure to send the qualified products to customers. This is one of our basic work requirements. By strictly control every detail to make our team and customers trust us that we can handle the orders perfectly, we hope to be the strong support of everyone. This is the delicacy of Zhengzi management.
I'm Iris, responsible for website operation. We constantly update various sessions, page contents, and functions for TVCMALL, and regularly plan different contents of promotional activities, product recommendations, etc. to meet the different needs of customers. We also have a professional team responsible for product category management, product information editing, and picture design to effectively satisfy customers' needs in multiple choices of product categories, rapid update of new products, and professional product designs. This is the desk of Zhengzi operation.
I'm Rob, head of the IT department, and I've been here for 13 years since our establishment. Over the past years, the most satisfying thing for me is that I have led my team to accomplish two things. One is to build our online wholesale platform, TVCMALL.com, from 0 to 1. The other is to continuously optimize and improve our internal operation management system. We create an overall personalized data service process, including product information and HD picture download, market data share, personalized data notification push, API docking, and so on, to facilitate our customers using the website and services more conveniently and reliably. This is the power of Zhengzi technology.
After 13 years of development, TVCMALL has built up two core capabilities: the ability to quickly collect products and provide wow customer service, which contribute us to be the preferred platform for many overseas mobile phone accessory wholesale customers. We will continue to improve and update more high-quality products for customers in the future, and strive to develop into the excellent one-stop fast product collection platform electronic accessories for global small and medium-sized wholesale customers, and help them to continue to develop.
We are TVCMALL.